Does the graph represent a function? Alright, so what's a function when it comes to a graph? How do we determine if a graph represents a function? So what we do is we're going to use the vertical line test. Meaning, when we point a plot on any part of the graph, if it goes through it once, it only hits one point on the graph, that means it passes it, and it therefore represents a function. Now, if it hits it 2 more times with the vertical line test, if we point on any plot on the graph, then it does not pass, and it therefore is not a function. Alright, so I'm going to give you a couple examples on how to apply this vertical line test to these graphs right here. So number 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose any point on the graph. I'm going to choose right here. Alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw a line. So notice how it only intersects it right there only. It only hits it there once. That means, and I could do it here, and it would do the same thing. Look at the behavior. That means this is therefore a function. And this function is a parabola, so this is actually y is equal to x squared. What about this one? Let's choose 2 points on this graph. I say I choose these. Alright? But it looks like it hits it 1, 2, 3 times. And if I try it again here, and I draw a straight line through here, it hits it right here and then here. So this is not a function because it fails the vertical line test. What about this one? Well, if I point a plot right here and I draw a straight line upwards, a vertical line, notice how it only hits it 1 time here. And I can do the same thing right here. It hits it 1 time right here, so this is a function. And this is actually y is equal to x, or it's the cube root of x, excuse me. And that's the function for that one. Alright, what about this one? Does this represent a function? Let's see. Let's draw a vertical line through that. But it hits it there. It hits it at 2 points, so this is not a function. Now, this is what they call a conic equation. This is a circle graph. And a conic equation for a circle, the generic formula I'm going to write down for you real quick, is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And that's the formula for a circle when you talk about conic equations. Well, I should get more into, but this is not a function.